Propagation Tent Step-by-Step Assembly. Step 1. Lay out the tent components and find the base of the canvas. Step 2. Assemble the base of the frame inside the tent canvas using the corner pieces plus 2 short poles and 2 long poles. Step 3. Construct the vertical section of the frame using the 4-way pieces and the necessary poles. Step 4. Using the remaining corner pieces plus 2 short poles and 2 long poles, assemble the top of the frame. Step 5. Place the shelf clips onto the remaining long poles and attach them to the frame. Step 6. Place the shelves where required. Add a protective sheet to the shelves of your choice. Step 7. Pull up the tent canvas and fit it over the top of the frame. Step 8. Close the zips around the top and bottom of the tent, leaving the front panel open for now. Step 9. Feed the power cables for your lights through the appropriate tent ports. Step 10. Fix your lights to the support poles and connect the power. Step 11. Place your propagators inside the tent. Step 12. Zip up the tent, place the front cover on using the Velcro strips. Now your tent is fully assembled, you can start growing in it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. For more advice, give us a call or head over to our website.